Hi everyone, this is Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel Tiny Tot Learn. In my previous video, I explained you about the basic toddler learning activities. After watching my video, some of my friends asked me why this binder is important for toddler. Why are you investing so much of time while making this binder? So guys, let me tell you, study says playing is learning. Children learn a lot of things while playing, and also early learning helps the children to develop their analytical and critical thinking. As you can see in my previous video, children can learn alphabet, numbers, colors, shapes, puzzles while playing. But in this video, I added a little bit of advanced activities such as solar system, continent, animal shadow matching, tangrams, puzzles, nursery rhyme sequences, and many other things. By doing all these activities, children can develop their language, communication skill, vocabulary, critical thinking, reasoning skill, and many more. So, before going ahead, let me show you how my daughter is enjoying all these fun activities. So, let's get started. start with seasons. We have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. I ask her, oh, what happens in spring? We have flowers. What happens in summer? It gets really hot. What happens in autumn? The leaves start to fall from trees. What happens in winter? It gets really cold. So she learned about seasons. Next is the weather. Rainy, sunny, windy, snowy. She has to match flying kites with the windy weather, using umbrella with the rainy weather, building snowman with the snowy weather, relaxing at the beach with the sunny weather. This is a cookie themed number matching game. It helps toddler to practice counting and number recognition. It includes number 1 to 10. Children can count the chocolate chip on each cookie and match it to the correct number. This is basically for toddler of 24 to 36 months. This is a basic puzzle of matching shapes and creating objects such as house and tree, triangle for the house roof, circle for the window on the roof, square for the house, rectangle for the door, small square for the window, and here a rectangle for the tree trunk and some cloud shaped object for the tree. This helps kids imagine about creating objects with different shapes. Shape matching and color matching are the first activity that I do with my daughter. This is a cute robot themed shape puzzle with 6 shapes to match, which is triangle, star, circle, square, hexagon, trapezoid. My daughter loves to do puzzle, so I have created 2 different puzzles which are inspired from tangrams. Before explaining about puzzle, let me tell you about tangrams. Tangrams are traditional Chinese puzzle made from a square that is divided into 7 shapes, and these shapes are rotated, moved and arranged to create a specific forms and figure using all 7 pieces. My first puzzle is for younger toddler 18 to 24 months, have few pieces to match with some design and independent colors so that she can match with either by shapes or by colors. Next puzzle is for older toddler who are 24 to 36 month old. There is another level of difficulty as they have to match the shape, size and colors at the same time. Here, some shapes are of same size and different colors, and others are of same color and different sizes. Similarly, I have made another advanced tangram puzzle using the tree and house shape. Tangrams are very good for critical thinking and reasoning skill. They are lot of fun for kids of all ages. This is very interesting doctor checkup activity. Both Lambie and Haley needs a checkup. My Prisha loves being a doctor to check Lambie and Haley. Here is the doctor checkup kit. As you can see here, some vitamins, some band-aid, some injection and stethoscope. So what she is doing is she gives some vitamins to Lambie, some vitamins to Haley. She puts band-aid on Lambie. She gives injection to Haley. So this is really fun interactive activity for kids. This is a very popular rhyme, 5 Little Monkey, which helps in counting. So here what I did is I keep 5 monkeys on the bed, and here is the number 5 because of 5 monkeys. I start singing 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Then I ask her, how many left? 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Similarly, it goes on up to 0. This is a very fun way to teach counting to kids. Next activity is to teach about solar system. While doing this activity, I tell her some interesting fact about planets. Like there are 8 planets in the solar system. All planets revolve around the sun. The first planet closest to the sun is Mercury and it's the smallest planet. The Venus is the second planet and is almost the same size as the Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Mars is nicknamed as the red planet. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn has many colorful rings around it. Uranus also has the ring but not as many as Saturn. Neptune is the last planet in the solar system. So next is the continent matching activity. This activity is a great way to start learning about different continents. These are farm animals. I ask her to match the animal. Can you match with rooster? Can you find pig? Can you find cow? Likewise, she matches with the animal. Here, farm animal shadow matching activity. This is an old McDonald farm. She has to match the animal according to their shadow. So, if I ask her, can you find rooster? Can you find duck? Can you match us with the sheep? Can you find pig? So, she loves playing shadow matching activity. This is little bit of advanced puzzle. This is forest animal matching activity. She has to match with the rhinoceros, elephant, tiger, and this is the forest animal shadow matching activity. Owl, deer, fox. Now comes the similar matching activity for sea animal. I ask her to match with turtle, seahorse, starfish. Here is another matching activity to learn about birds. Parrot, ostrich, flamingo, pigeon. Next comes the shadow matching activity of circus animal. I ask her to match where is elephant, where is giraffe, where is tiger, where is panda. This is quite fun. And here comes the shadow matching activity of pet animals in a pet shop. I ask her to match with dog, turtle, fish, cat. And the final one in the matching activity is fruit matching. She has to match according to the fruit. This is very interesting activity to differentiate between land animal and water animal. I ask her, where does the bear live? On land or in water? Where does the starfish live? Land or water? Thus, she gradually knows the difference. The next is animal sorting activity. Learning about different types of animals and their names is a fun activity that young children enjoy. In this, children classify and sort 20 animals into 4 groups: fish, mammal, insect and birds. This activity builds vocabulary, critical thinking and observation skills. This adorable pumpkin matching game is perfect for toddlers to practice visual discrimination skills. Visual discrimination skill is very important because it determines the differences and similarity between the objects and help us to understand and interpret the environment around us. The visual discrimination is especially important to learn how to read and write. Children need adequate visual discrimination skill to function properly in school and at home. This is a little advanced activity and requires lots of concentration. Next is some fun nursery rhymes. Learning and reciting nursery rhymes in early childhood is important for language development and early literacy skill. So here is some 4 sequence puzzle so that the children of different skill level can do the activity. She has to match the sequence according to the rhymes. Starting with the 3 blind mice. So here is Hey Diddle Diddle. and Hickory Dickory Dock. Jack and Jill went up the hill, and Itsy Bitsy Spider. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. And the last one is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dean, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.